Hello guys, Asha made her decision. We came to a place, we sat down and we ordered. But yeah, so right now we're walking down Alor Street, which is usually all full with like street food all out on the streets, but it looks like they've kind of closed for the day, or closed, yeah, for daytime, and they'll open at night. Even just like around here, it's really cool. Looks like a lot of character, like in all the buildings and stuff. But yeah, for now. Wow, dry chili frog? Yeah. Do you want a dry chili frog, people? Okay, so I'm just gonna start filming while we work out what we're doing. So yeah, as you can see, like all the way along here, all these food places, loads, I don't know, 20, 30, 40, 50 different places, all different Asian tastes, Asian countries. Yeah, we have been here before. Hello guys, Asha made her decision. We came to a place, we sat down and we ordered.
You say it as if it was such a big deal.
Wow. We almost got to the end of the street. Well, we got to the end of the street and then we walked back up a little bit. But the way that we order, I want to just explain how we order this stuff. See here, it might be like a post-pandemic type situation thing. Where you go here and you scan your little barcode, so you don't have menus. So I guess that's to stop like cross contamination with your hands and your brain and stuff. So yeah, you do that. We actually stole the number from our neighbor, so that may confuse them a little bit. We didn't have a number, so, you know, that's kind of just how it is, really. So we're number 3, we hope. But yeah, you scan that, it comes up on your phone, and then on your phone you order, you press it, and then eventually you pay in cash. So you pay in cash anyway, so you don't order it online as such, you just, well, you order it, but you pay in real life. So I have ordered, I don't know, I can't remember how to say it, Kiao Tao, something like this. Kiao Tao.
Kui tiao.
Kun Tiao.
Kui tiao.
Ku Tiao. Goreng chicken. So it's like the thick noodles. We'll see. When it turns up, I'll show you.
I tried kui tiao.
I've had it before as well. I prefer like thick noodles to thin noodles. By the way, just if you're ever like making noodles for me. And I was just having tom yum seafood. So here they had, for me anyway, they had 3 different sizes, small, medium and large, and they change prices as they go up from 15 to 20 to 25, I think, maybe 30, I can't remember. But I went for the medium, which is 20 ringgit. Asha went for the small tom yum, which is 25, yes. And Asha is going to say something now. Are you ready? Are you ready for Asha to say something? She's ready. Here she is.
I hope tom yum is as good as zupa pomidorowa.
Gosh. You understood what that meant? I don't know. Okay, good. You've had tom yum soup before?
No, you've had.
Oh, I had it before.
I haven't.
That's right, I had it.
I had because you've had.
I had it in Lombok. Okay, so we're gonna wait for that. We're gonna see what happens. Da 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 da.
Lala.
Yes. No. See the difference? Smiling. Oh no. Smiling. Oh no. Can you tell who's having fun? Good. Okay guys, so they've just turned up. Oh my gosh. Look at Ashes, look at it.
Small. That's a small one.
It's got all around there. Little seafood, you can see little octopuses in there. And then down the bottom, maybe you can see, it should be.
No, it's not.
Oh, there's no. I
There could be.
thought there was a little heatery thing, you know, a little tea light. I guess it's hot enough, you don't really need it. And this is mine. So it's like noodles and chicken basically. So it's like the thick noodles. Thick. Let's give it a try. So this is a Thai place, by the way. We didn't tell you that. Thai. We had Thai food yesterday, but we're in the Thai mood apparently. We were just thinking about Thailand after Bali.
Yeah.
Tastes really good. Tastes like a pad Thai actually. You know what a pad Thai tastes like? I'm gonna put a bit of the old lime on top. Really good. Wow. And yeah, you got kind of, I mean, I got the chicken one, I think. Right, so I think that's chicken. There's like chicken, yeah. Kind of like chicken with like battered chicken in a way. Then we got a bit of greenage.
Really good. But this one I ate somewhere in Bali wasn't looking that good.
Some sprouts. Obviously the noodles, some egg. So yeah, so it's a lot like a pad Thai, but with the thick noodles. Really good. And yeah, Ashes just looks amazing.
Yeah.
Wondering if it's going to be too spicy for her. She hasn't tried it yet.
Is it spicy?
She didn't think about that.
I forgot. I always forget to ask.
But yeah, we'll see.
So good tom yum seafood. Lots of seafood. I actually thought it's a pasta, but it's not. It's seafood. And it's really, like when I had first try, it just spread all over my taste buds and amazing. It tastes like zuppa pomidorova, which is tomato soup in Poland, but then it has the sourness that we don't do, which I might try to introduce my mama, because it's amazingly balanced, sweet and sour and tomato. So for me, this is like one of the best food I've tried so far from Thailand in Malaysia. But the portion is grand, like it's to share. I would say you could have some rice with it, maybe it would go, but I would love pasta with it. So we'll have this spicy, sour and sweet in the same time. Unbelievable. Really, like Blair just said, it wakes you up. So really happy. Prawn.
So what sort of seafood's in it?
So from, maybe you can help me because I know prawns. I don't. This is a mushroom.
Yeah, it's mushroom.
Like a Chinese mushroom. Onion as well, and then we had, I think this one is
It's like a squid.
That's squid.
Squid.
Lots of squid, and then I think
the purple one's octopus.
octopus as well.
Purple is octopus.
The purple octopus, and that's like
Tomato.
real tomato. Yeah. And mushroom, and that's it really. And then there's lots of parsley that is beautiful as well.
And lemongrass.
Lemongrass. And some onion, as I just mentioned as well.
So it's got onion. It's definitely got onion in it. Because Asha said it 3 times. So it's definitely got onion. I'm going to try some now. Got chili, yeah, I mean it's spicy. And also quite often the like sourness. I haven't tried it yet. But the sourness and also the orange flavor is actually tamarind. So tamarind, if you don't know, is like a kind of a pod thing. I guess very similar to like a vanilla pod, but it looks more like a bean pod, but it's actually orange. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try some as well. Yes. I've got a bowl here. Okay guys, I'm gonna give it a go. So I've got a few things in there. There is the prawn. There is little octopus. Let's go with the octopus first. Yes. Ooh. Yeah, it's literally gone right up my nose, the back of my nose.
Wow, yours is very peanutty.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So yeah, it's kind of like sour, which like I said is like the tamarind, like very sour. It's got tomato, it's got the mushrooms like Asha said, but also it's got coriander. That's one thing she missed out. Coriander I think, not parsley. But yeah, really good, really good. And like I said, like full of seafood, all full of seafood. Really good portion. So that was only 25 and mine was 20. So you know, really affordable. And yeah,
So remember,
good.
you can share one.
So yeah, you could probably, so this is a small and you could probably share that and that would be enough. I'd say maybe have a rice on the side to sort of soak up the sauce. But yeah, I'm trying to stay away from rice because I had a lot of rice recently. So I'm just taking a rice break. Yeah. Okay. So that's it, we're going to get through this
That is a little bit too much for me for lunch.
and then we're going to go for Mall in.